What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn on and fix call waiting on your owner smartphone. So to turn it on, first of all open the phone app. Now click on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on settings. Now in settings tap on this more option and then wait for few seconds for this call waiting option. Now after that tap on this call waiting button to turn on call waiting. And after turning on call waiting, if you are still facing issue using call waiting feature, then to fix this issue try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the side button and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting call waiting will start working properly. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution for this problem is try updating your phone software. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone is updated or not. So if your phone's software is not up to date, then update the phone software, and after updating the call waiting will start working properly. So that's how you can turn on and fix call waiting on your owner smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.